In this video, we are going to see that if we want to find the YouTube channel link on the mobile phone, let's say that we want to share it with somebody, or let's say that we want to ask anybody to share their channel link to us and they don't know the procedure. This is the simplest procedure that we can follow. First of all, just click on the bottom right where we have the profile icon. Just click in here and then click on view channel. Once we are in the view channel option, just click on these three dots and click on share, and we can copy this link. Let's paste it. So this is the complete link of the channel along with the handle name. But if you just want to share the handle name, here it is. Just tap on it and it will be copied to your clipboard, and you can share this link as well. But either way, you will notice that always it goes with HTTPS so that anyone can easily follow and search you. So that's it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.